My name is Kathy. I'm an entrepreneur, professional writer, activist, friend, mother, and longboard rider. I'm here to celebrate the day when technology caught up with my dreams to make the world a safer place for everyone. In 2000, I was attacked by a complete stranger. He cut my throat, opened my stomach, stabbed 3 times into my heart area. It happened in a safe neighborhood, in the light of day, 200 feet from the police station. I fought for life with what I had, tooth and nail, but what actually saved me was the call for help. 16 years ago, I had few options, so I used my voice. I was extremely lucky. The help came to me. I'm alive, and being alive is all the difference. Since that day, I've been thinking if anything could have kept me away from that experience. Something easy and smart to save lives and give a warm feeling that you and your loved ones are safe and sound. At long last, there is one. This is NIM, the ring with a panic button to send an alert to friends, people nearby, police and private security services, with just a touch of a thumb. When an emergency, simply push the button. The message with your map coordinates immediately reaches your safety circles. NIM helps you feel safe in any situation of suspicion, threat, or direct danger. Give it to your loved ones and you will always know when they need your help. Use the ring in emergencies, including fires, floods, robbery, armed attacks, sexual assault, or health problems. Why ring? It's the fastest and safest way to send an alert. With the ring, you can send the signal without no one know you did that. You don't need to dig around for the device and then look at it to find the button. You don't need the other hand to be free. You don't need to have a long conversation with the 911 operator.
You've reached the 911 dispatch center. At the moment, all operators are busy. Please stay on the line.
Yeah, it's real good volume. I can hear everything.
You didn't hear that in the beginning? It's amazing.
It's amazing.
How?
I hear it, the sound's coming through. Yeah, I like it. It's so funny.
Whoa.
Hallo?
Oh.
Hey, du hörst einfach die Musik. Yeah. Oh wow, that's really cool.
That's crazy. Sorry about that. Hello? Yeah.
What if you could control your dreams? Fly over the Grand Canyon. Visit a beautiful island. Or perhaps go back in time to the age of dinosaurs. Now you can. Meet iBand Plus, the EEG brain sensing headband for inducing lucid dreams and improving sleep. What is a lucid dream? A lucid dream is any dream in which you become aware that you're dreaming without you actually waking up. Dreams occur almost always when you are in the rapid eye movement phase, also known as the REM phase of your sleep. In REM phase, your brain activity is different than in the other phases of your sleep cycle. iBand Plus accurately senses this dream phase by monitoring variations in your brain waves. Once iBand Plus senses this dream phase, it plays audio-visual cues. These subtle external stimuli of light patterns via the LEDs on iBand Plus and sound appear as anomalies in your dream, making you aware that you are dreaming without them waking you up. Once you are lucid in a dream, you can take control of your dream actions and consciously reshape the dream to fulfill any fantasy. Your wildest desires unrestrained by the laws of physics or society. Lucid dreams are vivid and highly immersive. Once in lucid dream, you enter a virtual world where everything you see, hear, touch, taste, and smell is as authentic as reality. Lucid dreaming has been researched scientifically. Many psychologists and researchers have recognized that lucid dreams can help with artistic creativity, problem solving, improving sports and language skills, and can even help people prone to nightmares to get their fears under control. Sleep is also very important to restore energy reserves and strengthen the immune system. Even minimal sleep loss affects mood, productivity, ability to handle stress, and even body weight. iBand Plus tracks your sleep, indicates sleep quality, and gives feedback on improvement. iBand Plus also has the most advanced smart alarm feature that wakes you up with simulated natural sunlight and sounds at the most optimum period of sleep cycle, so that you wake up fresh every time. iBand Plus Headband communicates with iBand Plus app on your smartphone via Bluetooth, so you can conveniently check your sleep statistics and improvement suggestions. You can even customize your iBand Plus from this app to set LED light patterns and the brightness, as well as the audio cues. Developers can use our open platform to create amazing new experiences. With future software updates, iBand Plus could be connected to numerous smart devices in your home to simplify your daily life.
Every single day on this planet, someone is injured or killed by a landmine. Removing them is very time-consuming and dangerous. Millions of landmines litter the landscapes of the war-torn countries around the world. My name is Masoud Hassani, and I want to change this. Our mission is to solve the landmine problems within 10 years. In 2012, we have launched our first Kickstarter campaign. It is called the Minecathon. A low-cost wind-powered anti-landmine detonator. It rolls along on a desert. When it hits a landmine, it blows itself up and it destroys the landmine at the same time. After 3 years of hard work, we brought our mission to the next level. Now we are very excited to introduce you our newest robotic invention, the Minecathon drone. It is an airborne demining system which aims to reduce landmines in less than 10 years globally. Minecathon drone flies above a dangerous area. It generates a 3D map. Then it detects landmines with a metal detector and GPS coordinates. The drone has a robotic arm which places detonators on top of a landmine and blows them up from a safe distance. These three methodologies combined makes the Minecathon drones up to 20 times faster than the traditional technologies. It is safer and up to 200 times cheaper. Imagine if we could fly with hundreds of Minecathon drones all over the affected landscapes worldwide and free the world from landmines.